What is JavaScript? Your first step to web development. JavaScript is a programming language used to make web pages interactive. It is a high-level language that adds dynamic functionality to websites. What do you need to get started with JavaScript? And what makes JavaScript so special? All you need is a web browser and a text editor. No installation is required to start writing JavaScript code. My favorite text editor is Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. You can download it from the official website. JavaScript is the only programming language that's natively supported by all modern web browsers. This means any JavaScript code you write will automatically run without needing any additional setup. What is a script? A script is a set of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task. How HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together. HTML is like the backbone of a web page. It's where you put your content. Things like text, images, and buttons. It gives your page structure and meaning. CSS is what makes that content look good. With CSS, you can style your page, change colors, add spacing, set fonts, and position elements exactly where you want them. JavaScript brings your page to life. It adds interactivity, like reacting to clicks, showing or hiding elements, or updating content without refreshing the page. Internal versus external JavaScript. Internal JavaScript. If you want to write JavaScript directly inside your HTML file, you can do that using the script tag. The most common place to put it is right before the closing body tag. That way, your HTML content loads first and the script runs after. External JavaScript. You can also keep your JavaScript in a separate .js file and link it to your HTML. This makes your code cleaner and easier to manage. Plus, you can even load external JavaScript files from other websites, like libraries or frameworks, just by linking to their URL. How to open the console. If you want to see what your JavaScript code is doing, the browser console is the place to go. To open it, you can press F12 on your keyboard or hit Ctrl-Shift-I if you're on Windows. On a Mac, it's Command-Option-J, or simply right-click anywhere on the page, choose Inspect, and then click on the Console tab. It's super useful for checking your code, testing things quickly, or seeing errors. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your development environment for writing JavaScript code.